In this algebraic question, x plus xy plus y equals to 40, where x and y are positive integers. We have to find the value of x plus y. In the first step, to solve this equation, take x as common. So this expression becomes 1 plus y plus y equals to 40. Now add plus 1 on both sides of the equation. Then this expression becomes x 1 plus y plus y plus 1 equals to 40 plus 1. Now take y plus 1 as common. This becomes x plus 1 equals to 50. As both x and y are positive integers, then y plus 1 must be greater than equals to 2, and also this x plus 1 must be greater than equals to 2. Now take factorials of 50, which are 1 into 15, 50 into 1, 3 into 5 and 5 into 3. Now compare these factorials with those two equations. As here there is 1 factorial, as y plus 1 is more than 2, then this is not an option. Also this is not an option. So only these two factorials can be compared with these two equations. So after comparison, we got two options, either x plus 1 equals to 3 or y plus 1 equals to 5 or x plus 1 equals to 5 or y plus 1 equals to 3. From here, x is equals to 2, y equals to 4, and here x is equals to 4 and y equals to 2. From these both options, x plus y equals to 6 or x plus y equals to 6. So x plus y equals to 6 is our answer.